Hey guys, it's Super E-Dog here, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at my PC that I built so far. It doesn't have the power supply yet, unfortunately. I had that one, but I don't think you guys can see it. Here, let me shine some light over there. Yeah, that one. That's old 400 watt power supply, but the 4-pin, I don't know really where it is. The 4-pin, let me see if I could find it real quick. Nope, I cannot. But anyway, the 4-pin, connector to power the processor right here. I'm sorry guys, this is a little funky. I mean, the processor supply. See if I could get a little overhead light. Yeah, I can. This little like processor type thing right here. That little 4-pin thing. That's my CPU cooler, my heatsink, yeah, whatever you want to call it. It's an AMD 4100 quad-core black edition. It's pretty awesome. This is my RAM, 8 gigs of DDR3. Hang on, let me look at the box. Okay. But I think that's Kingston, like 8 gigs of DDR3 RAM. My video card, that's his Radeon 5450. So full 1080p, it's really awesome. My motherboard is an Asus 5MA. Asus 5MA 78L. Yeah, MLX. Yeah. It's all around pretty cool. So all I need to do to get this up and running is, well, I need to get a better hard drive. I mean, not a hard drive, my hard drive's right there, it's perfect. But, sorry guys, it's a little dark in here. But, I need to get a new DVD drive, and I might do that soon. But, I'm going to get the power supply today, yeah. So all I have to do is connect all the fans, and I've already connected this heatsink down pretty good, so I don't think it's falling off anytime soon. So yep. So yeah, okay, thanks for watching, bye.